Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can open a Credit Karma Money Spend account. So let's jump right in. To open your Credit Karma Money Spend account, visit the Credit Karma Money Spend home screen while logged into your Credit Karma account. Select Confirm if your personal information looks correct. If it is incorrect, you can update your personal information in your profile. Confirm your mailing address is correct and select Confirm. Select Edit if you need to change your mailing address. Verify your phone number on the following screen by selecting Confirm. Read and agree to the e-sign consent and account agreements by checking the boxes. Select Accept and create my account. After our system validates your information, you will have a Credit Karma Money Spend account. If you'd like a Credit Karma Visa debit card sent to you, you'll first need to fund your Credit Karma Money Spend account with a deposit and confirm your mailing address. Easily access your available funds with your virtual card until your new Credit Karma Visa debit card arrives.